Do you want to know how you can add events to your favorite section on Melbet? If yes, then this video is especially for you. Hello and welcome to TechTube. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can keep your events on your favorites items. So go ahead and go to melbet.in and then make sure that you do have an account and you are logged into your account. The next thing you want to do is find your favorite event. So let's suppose I want to go to the football, and let me go to this option over here and go to Australia and click on this match. So after I've selected that match, you can see the star option over here. If you click on it, then you can see on the top left hand side of your screen it has been added to your favorite site. Now in order for you to remove it, you can just click on this option and it will be removed from your favorite. So let me teach it to you once again, guys. Just go ahead and open melbet.in and then select a match you want to keep as favorite, or else you can just click the star over here and it will be over here on your favorite screen. So guys, this is how you keep your events on favorites on Melbet. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.